if a person thinks that it's enough that they show honor to God, then they can easily justify all of the sins under the sun. How so? At the end of the Parashat, God warns us against dealing with people that don't pay back their loans intentionally, don't do business the right way. In fact, the verse is telling us in chapter 5, verse number 21, that it's considered treacherous to Hashem when people deal falsely with other people when it comes to business. In fact, one of the sages, Rabbi Reuven, says the most hateful person to Hashem is one who denies God. For once a person denies the authority of the lawgiver, he can easily violate all of the norms of morality. Atheism is the forerunner of morality's destruction, because without the norms decreed by God, man can easily rationalize every manner of crime. What does this have to do with business and being and defrauding people? Simple. Once you feel like it's okay to lend money with high interest, predatory rates, defraud people, sell them one thing but really present them something else, cheat, lie, borrow money and not pay back. Sometimes even people borrow from the synagogue or the rabbis and simply decide that they don't have to pay them back before they do other things that they want to do. Needless to say, people cheat each other in business on a daily basis as a way of life. And the Torah is telling us, know this, you cheating in business is simply saying you do not believe that God is the lawgiver. You do not believe that God is watching.